Okay, so this example is going to be showing how we're going to do the update to the PowerCLI module using our PowerShell on a MacBook or any Mac OS X machine. First, we're going to spin up our actual PowerShell. So we're launched and we're set. So this is using PowerShell Core. I've got 603. It'll do what you need it to do. First thing we want to do is we want to actually check what's the modules we've got to date. So we're going to do a check. First, we do a get module. We don't want to get them all, we're just going to narrow it down. We want the one that's called VMware.PowerCLI. And we want to say a list available. So what this shows is today we've got that there. We're running version 10.1. It's as easy as that. Okay, next up, we're going to do update dash module. And same thing, let's just make sure we name it nice and easy. VMware, that's right, big V, big M, little w. I actually don't even know if it matters. And we're going to say .PowerCLI and watch the magic happen. Remember, of course, just like everything else, we used to steer clear and we'd say like, oh, don't run a version 0.0. Doesn't matter. This is actually just a marked release. So whether it's 0, 01, 11.0 is just as safe as 10.99999. Okay, so it's asking, saying, this is an untrusted repository. Are you sure you want to run this? This is from the PS gallery, so we're all good. And I'm going to say yes. Now we're just going to take a few moments. This is actually downloading right from the PowerShell gallery. It installs it. So much easier than it used to be, where you had to download, deploy, run your installations. So the good thing is this works on Linux, this is going to work on OS X, and this is also going to work on your existing Windows systems, which is so much easier. And it's going to tick away, and just like that, we're ready to go. All right, now you're set. We actually have PowerCLI active. You're back in business.